Welcome back to Rip and Flip Cards. This is Brendan speaking. Today I'll be opening Topps 2025-26 Flagship Edition. Still chasing an autograph or a relic. This is the third box. Hopefully I get something in this one, or else, yeah, it's just weird. That'd be 3 boxes in a row with no relics or signatures, but let's get cracking. Chris Paul, Alexa, Toronto combo card, Christian Brown, Shaquille O'Neal, Danny Wolf rookie card, Nolan Traore rookie card, Young Hansen rookie card, Jeremiah Fears rookie card, and he looks like a legit good rookie. Fears does. We've got the 80-81 Olivia Maxon's Prosper variation, I guess you'd say. Nick Clifford, Generation Now. Keldon Johnson, Russell Westbrook, and that is the Heat combo card. Hawks combo card, Obi Toppin, Grayson Allen. They've done him a solid. He's nowhere near as grey as he is in real life. Tyrese Halliburton, KD, Ty Jerome, Denver combo card, Clint Capella, Zachariah Ricochet, Bam Adebayo, and Ace Bailey 8-bit baller card. Julius Randle, Utah combo card, and AJ Green. Okay. RJ Barrett, having a really good season. James Harden, throwback year for a destroyed Clippers. Mikal Bridges, Toumani Camara, Trey Johnson III, Carter Bryant, Ben Saraf, Elijah Martin, Gigi Jackson II. Oh, we've got a Cooper flag, 80 style. We also have a Colin Murray Boyles Clutch City Prospects. Oh, nice. Domantas Sabonis, Miles Turner, and Ryan Dunn. Jalen Brunson, DeAndre Ayton, having a good season-ish. Okay for the Lakers. Everybody else around him is clearly helping him out. Drew Holiday, Lou Dort, the Houston combo card. Oh, Rick Barry. Spudley Webb, little fella Spud, he's about my height. Will Riley, rookie card, Sean Berenger, and we got an Anthony Hardaway. Finally get a signature. Cool. That's very cool. notch signatures. Very nice. An Cade Cunningham 8-bit baller. Well, I've finally broken the duck on signatures. That's a win. Marcus Sasa, Devin Booker, and Mateus Buzelis. Just quickly slip that into a penny sleeve. Very cool. I'm happy with that. It's a nice card. Very nice card. Okay, next pack. Jalen Duran, Austin Reeves, Damian Lillard, Devin Carter. VJ having some rookie season. Just I implore anyone to watch the last 30 seconds of the 76ers Warriors game. The two defensive efforts, maybe three defensive efforts, the tip back go ahead bucket, and even the effort to get down court to try and ensure, even though Maxey got the job done, the block on DeAnthony Melton, VJ was on his way there as well. Shaden Sharp, Charlotte combo card, Khalil Ware. He's a really, I like the look of him as a player. Cedric Coward now, he's having a great rookie season as well for the Grizz. Really stepped up and doing some business. Oh, got another VJ Edgecombe. This time in the 80s version. Very good. And another VJ Edgecombe. Generation Now. Well, I can't complain about this pack, that's for sure. Love VJ, and I've just got 3 of him. Okay, Ben Simmons, Paul George, and Isaiah Collier. 3 VJ cards in one pack. That's pretty wild. Pretty wild. It just looks like he's got a winning mentality, VJ Edgecombe does. Or Edgecombe, I should say. It's not comb, it's cum. Onyeka Okongwu. Sorry about that. Eamon Thompson. Nick Smith Jr. Ja Morant. Darius Garland. Jace Richardson, rookie card. Adu Theroux, rookie card. Kobe Bria, rookie card. Bill Russell, wow. Oh, and Joel Embiid. Not 100% of this variation, but absolutely wrapped because Joel is my favourite all-time player. That's pretty fantastic. He's cropped up. And we got a power player, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Yeah. Jalen Wilson, Scoot Henderson, and Baylor Sherman. That's another really nice pack. I think I've done quite well out of this grouping. Well, for a Sixers fan, I've probably done quite well out of this grouping. Okay. Balo Banchero, Stephen Castle, Jordan Poole, New York combo card, Chris Middleton, Magic Johnson, Peyton Watson, Miles McBride, Noah Pender, Brooks Banheiser. Okay, Clutch City, Igor Deminan, Brandon Podzinski, Malik Beasley, and Dalton Connect. Okay, last pack. Very weird. Anyway, Brandon Miller. Hopefully injuries don't derail his career totally. That's a little disappointing. We've got a marking all the way through this card. I hope it's not on all the cards. No, it's not. Reed Shepherd. Nikola Jovic. Zach Edey. Isaiah Joe. PJ Washington Jr. Ace Bailey. Sion James. Jameer Watkins. Colin Murray Boyles. Damian Lillard. Tyler Collick. Cody Williams. And a pretty cool Scotty Barnes. Okay, so we did not too badly. We finally got a signature, which is to be expected to roll up. We got a couple of clutch cities, a couple of player powers. We got this JoJo, which I'm really enjoying. Although, did I just see a little mark at the top there? I hope not. Yeah, that's definitely a little mark. Really disappointing as they come out of the packs with a little damage on them, but that's still a cool card. VJ Edgecombe generation now, so pretty happy with that. A VJ Edgecombe 1980-81 version of Topps. Lillard and Cunningham on the 8-bit ballers. A clutch city prospect again of Colin Murray Boyles. I think he's going to be a decent player too, that kid. A Cooper Flag. An Ace Bailey 8-bit baller as well. A generation now of Nick Clifford. So I think we can safely say I did pretty well. Anyway, thank you for watching, and bye.